Okay, that has to be the most continuous climb here. Rough estimation from the bottom of the hill to the top here was 1.7 kilometers. So 1.7 k's. It's about 3.2 miles. I'll double check and let you know. Anyway, let's carry on. Hope you guys are having fun. So you must always do something that you love and enjoy doing. And guess what? I love mountain biking. I want to take you guys on more adventures. So hit the subscribe, hit the likes, watch the videos. There is a playlist of I think 74 at the moment. So when you got some free time, give me a watch. Not just for a minute. Try and watch them all, start to finish. And then if you're local, hit me up. As long as you ride, enjoy riding, I'll show you my playground. I'll give some places you don't know around here. Well, close. Last bend here. Drop one into the fall quickly. Yeah. Jump on the brakes for the short bend here. I'm still up ready to shoot that. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I sure did. Another big section. White arrow? Not sure. I know it's yellow. And we're going that way next.